picture anginika mina bakhona abantu fika picture minge ukhwele maqothana ukhwele maqothana sanikale sasa asatara bonisana makama uthando hambira yamuya sonikana nebela sakale sasa kagana makama uthando hambira yamuya sonikana nebela iyabo asha Okay. Yeah, this is the last one. When the band is coming, I'm still gonna a jam session. So I understand any school. Understand this school. So I'm understand this school. This school is a jam session. It's not an event for all. So you need to jam with people. You get me? I'm told Hansha. Unemployment covered. Everywhere I go, that's an extreme number of things. MC so anything or any support that you can offer, I will appreciate. And I'm going to start to rest. Someone did offer to me. Everybody like it. See, I'm an artist. I say, get pride. Somehow, I'm royalties are patali. See, when spirit go to Sana Nabazali Siapakukisa, as finish your partner. You need to stand up as an artist and we go out and work. So that we know good Nabazali ba support aguloto. You know good Zimaja, you could teach your humble tula, but Mama Baba and Pilonium, but some Bulan and so somehow now I'm need to and may understand the pastor music. I never patalo. Yeah, okay, one to wear a show at Melans and Lucas, and the Muslims and Lucas, Melian. So I went to a competition on Joseph FM Underground and the John Colorado tour. So since we need a little competition, for 3 weeks, there is a song Yamans of Galapot now. It's a gay featuring 18. It's a gay Balloon. It's Atkins who come back. I still don't come here. uyalena. Okay, bheka-ke, I'm not even a specific artist ozicula in ne ngishaya i-music yabo. So any support, any motivation, any love, anything I will appreciate. And always know God loves you. Oh my lucky temper. So DJ